These taillights suck. Let's fix that. Much better.
Hi.
Hello! So, today we're replacing the headlights on the Honda Civic.
We already replaced the headlights.
Fuck! We're replacing the taillights on the Honda Civic. Now, you might be asking yourself, why would we want to replace the taillights? Well, with a lot of the modifications we've done to the car, a lot of its aesthetic is its black accents and black colors.
Black ass.
Black ass. And these taillights have those black accents we're looking for.
You know what that means?
Unboxing time!
We lost our apostrophe OE knife, and so now we've resulted to a Phillips screwdriver.
So, these are what we're working with. Ooh, real pretty.
Easy.
They got the nice black accents. They look really cool and pretty, and that's how it's gonna look when it's on the car. Wow! Let's get these bitches installed. Let's do it. Let's do it. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the taillights that are on the trunk, and we are going to remove the bulbs with the harnesses attached, and then take off the 3 bolts. We got 2 here, and then we got 1 right there.
What do you do if the bulbs are hard to get out?
You use pliers.
Just so you guys know, try to avoid touching the bulbs when you pull them out, because the oil off of your fingers can cause them to burn out faster.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, we got some dead bugs in there. Nice. And there it is.
There's one. Where's the second one?
Right there. Make sure to try it with your fingers first and only use the pliers if it's too tight to get out with your fingers. That first angle didn't want to work with me. Alrighty.
There it is.
There's our bulbs and harnesses, and then we just got to get the bolts off. These bolts are 8mm bolts. It's already set to, okay.
Correct. Should just lift up. Yeah.
Oh, yep, there we go. It just comes off like that. Look at that. So the new ones we got are exactly the same, so we don't have to transfer anything. It's all here. Should be an easy install.
Do it.
No, I will. Let's set this down, make sure all the bolts are in the right place and that the bulb holes are set right. All right.
Looks right.
Yep. And then you just gotta put the nuts back on and put the bulbs back on, and then you're good to go. And keep in mind, these are metal studs coming out of plastic, so you don't need to tighten them too much, because if you do, they will snap. And then we just gotta get the bulbs back installed. So if you look at the holes for the bulbs, you can see that some of these little notches are cut wider. So you gotta line that up with these notches on the harness in order to get that in. Now let me make sure I have it lined up so I don't look like an idiot after saying that.
As long as they're not gonna come out.
Oh yeah, it's just...
Alright, yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Well, I got the ones on the trunk in. They look pretty steezy. Now we're gonna move on to the other ones that are a little harder to get to.
Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take the clips off. Because we're so smart and we knew we were going to do this ahead of time, we only left 1 clip in, but normally there'd be more.
Right, normally if we weren't so smart, there'd be one here and one here. But instead, to peel back this corner, all we have to do is remove that one. Ding. Hey. And it's the same story. 3 little 8mm it looks like.
And then the 2 bulbs with their harnesses. So let's get on it.
Do it again.
I will. Okay, I just had to make sure I was turning it the right way.
There you go.
All right, there's the first one. All right, there we go. All right, there's the bulbs.
There they are.
For these taillights, the nuts are pretty deep on there, so you actually need to make sure you have a deeper socket to be able to take them off.
Correct.
The angle's
Nuts.
this angle's nuts.
Yeah, that's correct. All right, pull it off. It comes out.
Alrighty. Come on. Come on.
Oh, you know what?
So these taillights have a screw on the bottom that you have to get to that we didn't realize was there at first. But thankfully, you don't have to take the bumper off to get to it. If you just slide under the car, you can easily reach it. That little screw, you can get to it by crawling under the corners of your bumper, one of which will have your muffler in the way, so it might take a little guesswork, but you got to take that rusty Phillips screw out in order to get your taillights out properly. You got to get all this garbage out first, though. Just give it a yank. Yeah. There it is. What was that? I don't know. Oh, it was a couple of the studs on the bottom.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, well.
Oh, well. That's why we're replacing them with new ones.
One eternity later.
There you go. Don't take your bumpers off. Just destroy your new headlights. I'm doing it now. Destroy your new taillights.
Bulb time.
Which one went where? You remember?
It was just like this.
You sure?
They came out like that.
Are you sure?
Do you want me to?
No,
I am sure, bro.
Okay, alright.
Well, am I wrong?
I don't know.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yep. Alright.
Look at that. The company
They're back
values
in.
are now consistent.
Yay!
Put our clip back in. The one. The only. The clip. That clip's in there. Now we're gonna do the next one.
How do they look? They look good. Come on.
That's cool looking.
Yeah, that is. That looks really cool.
I like that for me.
Do you like that for you?
I do like that for me. That's pretty neat. It's pretty nifty, you know?
The install went really well. The reverse light and the brake light on the passenger side were not working, but that is because
They
the
already
bulb,
weren't working.
yeah, the bulbs are out. That's not a problem with the tail lights. So yeah, it went really well. And thank you guys for watching.
For only 80 bucks, that is a must-have.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Ooh.